Hello stampers, I'm Kelly Acheson at stampabove.com, coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Today for my Wait What? Wednesday tip video, I thought I'd share a great little tip, and I don't think I've shared this one before, but if I have, cut me some slack. I have a really bad memory. And maybe some of you didn't see it before. So I'm going to share a tip with you about dies. Do you ever get frustrated when you have a whole bunch of dies and you try to put them back on the card and you can't get them back to fit? You can't get them to fit on there again. I have this frustration all the time, and I know a lot of you are putting magnetic sheets in with your dies, and that's great, but still, how do you get them back in there so that they all fit, right? So my recommendation, my tip for today is to take a photograph before you start removing the dies. Take a picture, put it in your favorites or put it in a file on your phone so that you can go back when you need it and see how these dies fit back on. It's like putting a puzzle together, I swear. And sometimes, like I said, I'm so frustrated, especially with a big set like this. These are from the Ornate Frame dies. This is in the Holiday Mini Catalog, and it's part of the Monster Bash suite of products. And then we've got, this one is Budding Blooms dies. And again, I want to make sure that I can fit these back on here. So I'm going to take a photograph of my die sheet, put it in my favorites on my phone, and I'll be able to refer back to it if I pop all these off of here and I can't get it back on the card. I hope this tip has been helpful for you. And please, let me know if you don't have the new Holiday Mini Catalog. This catalog is amazing. I would be happy to mail it to you. Pop me an email at kelly@stampabove.com right here, and make sure you include your address. Let me know if you need the big annual catalog too, because I can send both. I'm happy to do that. Click right up here to head over to my blog, where you'll find my online ordering button in the right hand column. If you do need to order anything, I always appreciate your orders. You can use this host code when prompted to do so, and don't forget to click down here to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You don't want to miss anything I have coming up. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, if it was helpful, lots of times these videos for me are an aha moment, and this is kind of one of those for me. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to spend it with me. Bye-bye.